Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your first Scratch project. First we go to Google and then we type in scratch.mit.edu, hit enter. So this is the home page. If it's your first time in Scratch, you have to create a new account, but I already have an account, so we're going to click on sign in. Click sign in. So now I'm in my account. And this create button is where you create a new project. This explore button is where you see other shared projects that are trending or popular or recent. Ideas is where if you're getting started in Scratch, then you can see how to make like a chase game or make a story, make music, or make a Pong game, and then you can see all tutorials. And about is where it shows you about Scratch. So now let's create a new project. And before we create a project, this button shows you all your like files, your projects. It can show you all projects, shared projects, unshared projects, or the studios, or the stuff in trash. So you can also make a new project from the My Stuff page by simply clicking My New Project. So this button shows you this is the notifications button. Like if somebody favorited or loved your game or commented on your game, then it notifies you. So let's go ahead and create a new project by clicking the create button. So this is all the different type of code. So the motion is where you want your sprite. What a sprite is basically like one of the objects in the project. Like this cat is a sprite. It also shows you here. You can hide it or make it show. You can change the name. Let's make it to cat. You can change the position of it, of X and the Y. You can change the size and you can make it point in direction, whatever direction you want. And so you can basically make the sprite move or turn or point towards something or glide. Looks is where you make it talk or change costumes or change the backdrop. Backdrops is the background, which is the stage basically. So let's go back into our sprite. You can make it change size or set the size, change color effect or set color, hide or show or go to front layer. Sound is where you make it play sounds or stop sounds or reduce the volume or set the volume effect to how much you want. Events is basically when something happens in the project. For control is where you can make it wait the amount of seconds you want it to, and then do this and make it repeat a certain amount of times or forever, or if then create a clone of a sprite or another sprite. Sensing is where you can basically make it where if the sprite is touching something or if it's touching this color, or you can make it ask something or make it, or if any key is pressed. Operators is basically where you make add stuff. So we're not gonna really worry about this in today's video. We're gonna worry about the basics of making a Scratch project. And here are our variables. Variables is where you make it if you want to use a score in your Scratch project, then you would want to use variables. So you can also click on this button where you can add an extension like music or pen, video sensing, text to speech. You can even code a Lego Mindstorm EV3. So let's go back, and you can also click on the tutorials and see how to make like a game or make a story. So you can also copy the project. You can click on save as a copy, and you can share the project. But before you share, uh, if you're new to Scratch, you may see that you don't have the share button. That's because you have to verify your account. So they're gonna send you an email to verify your account, and you have to verify it from the email. So you can choose a sprite here. From here, you can choose like anything. You can also upload a sprite from your computer, and you can use the paint to make your own sprite. So let's go back to our cat. Let's go back to the code. So you can also click on see project page. This is how you tell you write the instructions and notes and credits. You give credit to somebody if for example they're giving you a tutorial on how to make something on Scratch, or if you got like the music or designs of a sprite from them. You can also put it in full screen. And this green flag is when you start the project. This stop sign is where you stop the project. So if you click on see inside, this is basically where you see all the code. Okay, so that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and send a comment down below and leave a like to this video, and have a nice day.